Hello, class 8 students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will continue our chapter 11, that is force and friction. Today we will discuss the topic pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as the force acting per unit area. Pressure is defined as the force acting per unit area. Students, how? Suppose your mother or your sister having footwears, ठीक है जी, that are having pencil heel, and your father has a pair of shoes which is flat, which are flat. It means the force on the ground due to person's weight is the same regardless of the footwear he or she is wearing. देखो इतना how much a person having weight, it depends on the. Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will continue our chapter 11 and the topic is pressure. What is pressure? Students, firstly you have considered about the force that is applied on the object. ठीक है जी, you have already seen the effects that a force can produce on the object, but how do we find out how much effect the force will produce on the object? ठीक है जी, the effect is produced on an object depends on two factors. One is the magnitude of the force, means how much force is applied, and the second is the area over which the force is applied. The area over which the force is applied. Students, we will consider about the example. Suppose you are cutting an apple with a knife and the area of contact is the area of cutting edge of the knife. If this knife has sharp edge and the area of contact is small, but if the knife has a blunt edge, the area of contact becomes larger. And yes, tell me, in which case it is easier to cut the apples? When the knife is sharp or when the knife is blunt? ठीक है जी, obviously when the knife is sharp. This shows that the smaller the area of contact, the smaller the area over which force acts, the greater is the effect of the force. Students, or we can do the activity. This is a sharpened pencil and hold it between the index fingers of both your hands. ठीक है जी, I am holding like this from both the sides. After a few minutes you will observe that I am feeling, you will observe when you are doing, now I am feeling pain in my this finger from which I am get a depression in the finger from the sharp edge of the pencil, and now nothing happens. I am feeling pain in this. ठीक है, it means the force of contact, the force applied by this finger is large and the area of contact is less. Here the area of contact is large. ठीक है जी. Then now you can understand what is pressure. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area, or we can write pressure is equal to force upon area per unit area. And what are the units of the pressure? Force is measured in Newton, area is measured in meter square. Then the unit of pressure is Pascal. It is denoted by PE. And how the pressure varies? How the pressure varies, or the variations of the pressure? Pressure depends on two things, students: force and surface area. The greater the force, the larger the pressure. The smaller the surface area, the larger is the pressure. And the greater the surface area, the lesser is the pressure. For example, we can take the example of a camel. Camel has a broad feet that spread on the surface, and the force applied by the camel's weight over the large area. As a result, the feet of the camel do not sink deep into the sand, and it helps in allowing to move quickly in the desert. Now the applications of force and pressure in our daily life. Have you ever tried to run on a sand? No, it is difficult. It is difficult for us to run on a sand, but a camel is able to walk on a sand. It means camel is able to walk on the sand because it has a flat and broad feet. I have told you earlier. This increases the area of contact with the sand. Hence, the camel is able to walk on the sand. Next is trucks mean to carry heavy load. Trucks mean to carry heavy load have 8 rather than 4 tires. For why? Why the trucks have 8 tires, 12 tires, 16 tires? These are for increasing the surface area, means area contact with the road, so that the heavy trucks are able to easily walk. And one more example. Students, you have seen the Caterpillar track tanks. The tanks having army force. Their tanks are having caterpillar tracks, and their tanks are considerably able to walk on even on the desert area also. Why? Because the area of contact is increases due to the caterpillar chain, and this prevent the tank from sinking in areas where wheeled vehicles of the same weight would sink, and they are able to move in the desert sand also. Next is cutting and piercing of tools. Students, cutting and piercing tools such as knives, needles, saws, these all have sharp blades or points to reduce the area of contact, so that they exert greater pressure with the ball or with the area of contact to make easy for cutting as well as piercing. ठीक है जी. Next is pressure exerted by the liquids. Pressure exerted by the liquids. हाँ जी. Take a white glass, open tube, open at both the ends. This is open at both the ends. Tie a rubber balloon to its lower end. Pour water in the tube. You will notice that the balloon bulges downward. This balloon bulges downward. Why it bulges downward? This shows that the liquid exert pressure on the base of the container in which they are kept. In the second case, we take a balloon on the side of the vessel. Okay? As soon as the vessel filled with the liquid, it starts pressurizing the balloon, and the balloon also bulges. Why balloon bulges? Due to the pressure exerted by the liquid on the side of the container. It means liquid exert pressure downward, liquid exert pressure sideways in which to the vessel in which they are kept. And second is variation of liquid with the depth. Variation of liquid pressure with the depth. Students, here take a plastic container and make 4 holes. A, B, C. We can make here 4 holes. Fill the container with water and let water keep flowing from these holes. You will notice that water comes out with a greater force from the holes at a greater height, at a greater depth, sorry. The water comes with a greater force at the depth, and then this force decreases as the height increases. This shows that the pressure in the liquid increases with increasing depth. The pressure at the bottom of the sea is much greater than near the surface. Due to this reason also. The reason is that the pressure at the bottom increases. Pressure at the bottom of the sea is much greater than near the surface. That is why sea divers have to wear special suits to prevent their bodies from being crushed out, because the pressure is very high. That's why they have to wear the special suits. Now, measuring of liquid pressure. Students, we can use an instrument that measures the liquid pressure, and that instrument is known as the pressure gauge. That instrument is known as the pressure gauge. or we can say a manometer. Manometer is used to measure the pressure in the liquids as well as in the air. ठीक है जी. This is enough for today. We will discuss atmospheric pressure in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.